everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see multidisciplinary journals which are listed in 2024. This is a Scopus Index journal. You can also cross check with SCI and UGC CAT as well. So, before we proceed, I'd like to tell you that this is my channel, Goms Tech Talks. If you haven't subscribed it, please go and subscribe now. And this is an important playlist for all the researchers that is all about research. You can find many information here, like how to find the problem, how to identify the problem, and for your research, and how to write a letter to the editor. Like that, you have mm, various videos here. And then another important playlist that you should see is what unpaid SCI Scopus Index Journal, where I'll be uploading a video at least once in a week in this particular playlist, which will be helpful for you. Apart from this, you have other videos as well, other playlists as well here, like Skill Up, which will be useful for the students, even for you, for researcher. If you want to learn any new courses about the internships, job opportunities, everything will be updated here. Online teaching tools, and these are the tools which are useful for the research. And if you have any queries related to your research, if you wanted to help me for the interview preparation, resume review, mock interviews, so you can definitely schedule a call with me. Be there to help you. So, with no wait, let us go to the first journal, which is what International Journal of Service Science Management, Engineering and Technology. So, as I told, this is a multidisciplinary journal. Here you can see this is multidisciplinary, and it's there since till now. That is, I am publishing this video on March month. Okay, so if you are seeing this video on July probably, so please go and cross check that in your Scopus, because that will be updated in the Scopus database. Okay, so please go and check that. And the next one is, this is a multidisciplinary journal. It covers engineering, general engineering, computer science, general computer science, business management, accounting, general business management, and accounting. So if your article, or if you are doing a research in any one of these topic, then please proceed. You can find this journal name here. So the first one which you wanted to check is what how many issues per year they are just planning to publish. Okay, so here you can find more information about it. This is there in Scopus. Okay, and you can see, if you click on more indexing, you can find the more indexing about it. Okay, this is an abstraction and indexing, where it is indexed in, you can see it is indexed in UGC care list, it is indexed in ACM digital library. They haven't mentioned about web of science, so this is not in SCI. So let us just go above and see what are the coverage. Okay, they are covering a wide range, because as I told, this is a multidisciplinary journal, so you can see there are various thing they are covering, various subjects and domains, so you can consider this. Okay, and you can see about what is the publication policy. So if it is not directly mentioned here, then you have to go and check it even more, like you have to go and check here. um you can find about okay, so here in the, if you couldn't directly find it, you can go to the archives. Okay, archives, and you can find it easily. So here you can see 2023, you can find how many publications, how many issues they have published. Okay, so November, Jan, Feb, so they have, okay, Jan, Feb, April, May, July, okay, so, and September. Okay, so I'm sure, like IGI, you will be having, like they will give you a fast response. Okay, so you'll be having a fast response from IGI, so you can just directly go ahead and check for the open access, that is article processing charges here. So let us first check that article processing charges. Let us see. So article processing charges is not required until after the manuscript has been gone through full double blind preview. So you should not pay before your article has been accepted. Okay, and if it is accepted, then you can see it is APC $2550. Don't worry, just click here and go ahead with learn about the article processing charges. You can find even more. Okay, so APC subsidizing and funding. So here you can find like how to get the open access policy, how to waive off the open access policy. Okay, so if you click on this learn more, it will take you to the open access funding resources. What are the funding resources they have? So you can find more information about it here. Okay, about the funding information. You can also send a mail to the editor to waive off the charges. Okay, so you can just here in the all about research playlist which I have shown in my channel, you can find one thing which is a letter to the editor, 24th video, letter to the editor, writing a letter for reducing the open APC charges. This one you can try to send a mail, just have a template of this and send a mail to the editor to request the waiver for the open access policy. Okay, so they'll be responding it to you. This you have to when to send this letter, only if your paper has been accepted for the publication. Okay, after going through all the double blinded review, if your paper has been accepted, then you can send a mail to them. So then let us go to the next journal, which is Transaction of Tiangen University. This is there since 2004 to present, and this is also a multidisciplinary journal. So once if you click here, you can see it's a free article processing charge, and this is free open access, free language polishing, and fast and high quality peer review. So if you want to know more about the journal, like what is the aim and scope of the journal, you can find more like it personally, it particularly, it is concentrating on the solar energy utilization, CO2, that is completely about biofuels, biology related, and I think chemistry also involved here. Catalyst, bacteria, okay, batteries and supercapacitors, okay, related to physics. Okay, so they are covering most of the topic under these things: energy policy, biofuels, fuel cells. So if your article is related to any of these journals, any of these domain, then you can submit it. It is free of charge. So you can just go ahead and see like what is the publication, like what is the publication cycle, like how many issues per year. So you can go ahead and see, it is a December, you can see all the volumes and issues here. So on that is December 2023, they have published 6 issues, so 6 issues per year. So you can, it is a fast accepting journal, so you can submit your article and check whether it is suitable. Okay, this one is they are accepting it or not. Yes, I hope you find this video useful. If you have any queries, please leave your queries. I'll be sending you, you can just comment your queries in the comment section. I'll meet you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.